Hi everyone, welcome to my step-by-step guide about how to get to the 10,000 Buddhas temple in Shatin. Why do you need a step-by-step guide? Because it's not signposted. I'm going to show you exactly how to get there the easiest way. And the first thing you need to do is get yourself on to the East Rail line, and I'm here at the Mongkok East Station, so this is one of the easiest places to get on the East Rail, and Shatin is just 2 stations up the line. So stick with me and I'll show you exactly how to get there. So we've arrived at Shatin. You've got to get yourself out of the station, and to do that you have to go up to the concourse. So exit B is what we're looking for, and keep out your octopus curve. And now take a left turn and head for the corner. When you reach this point, you may be thinking, yes, I found it, it wasn't that difficult. But in fact, this is not the 10,000 Buddhas temple. This is a columbarium, and you can Google that one and find out what that is. In fact, the next leg of the journey is actually a little alleyway there. And you have to skirt along the back of this commercial building. And in fact, this is the only sign to the 10,000 Buddhas Monastery. This is the actual entrance, and as you can see, it's free admission and it's open from 9 to 5 p.m. But before I go up, I'm going to backtrack a little bit and show you something that you should take notice of. Although this is the 10,000 Buddhas Monastery, there are actually no monks here whatsoever. And there is a warning regarding fake monks seeking alms. Do not give money. So if you do happen to come across a monk, it's very likely to be an imposter. So you've been warned, don't give money. So from here, the route up is lined by all these big Buddhas. There must be 1 to 200, I imagine. So just pick the one that you like and take your selfie. I will show you my favourite one later on. And this is more or less a bit where you have to start climbing. There is roughly 450 steps to the top. This is my favourite Buddha. He is the selfie stick Buddha. Very appropriate for the times. So I'm going to go up and enter the main complex now, main monastery area. Luckily it's not too crowded today, so you can get all very nice pictures and it's very colourful. This is the main building that houses most of the 10,000. But we're going to go in and have a little look around. This is a vegetarian restaurant. magnificent pagoda. That's the main temple there that's got most of the 10,000 inside. And it does say actually no photos and no video, so we are going to respect that. If you want to go and take a look by yourself, by all means go over there, have a look. I would say that the best Buddha statue in the whole of the temple is this one, a female Buddha. This is a Chinese goddess, Guanyin. She is a sea goddess. She protects all seamen when they're out fishing. They like to go into the temple, or a Guanyin temple, and they offer offerings for safety and a good catch. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and to like and comment below. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.